लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, जिनका हमें बड़े समय से इंतजार था, फाइनली वी हैव मैनेज्ड टू कन्विंस अदिति राव हैदरी टू कम इनटू द स्टूडियो. लेट मी टेल यू हाउ दिस हैपेंड. वन फाइन डे मेरे बॉयजेस ने मटकना शुरू कर दिया, तो मैंने अदिति राव हैदरी को मैसेज कर दिया. एंड दिस वाज जस्ट बिफोर यू वेंट टू कान.
Yes.
And she promised us that she would come. And I mean, what is a promise, behan? You know what is a promise.
Promise is a promise.
So tell us how, Aditi, क्या ही feel हो रहा होगा बिब्बो जान के जलवे, बिब्बो जान का walk, बिब्बो जान की मुस्कुराहट, everything around her, around you has become so captivating. इतना appreciation. I hate this question, but I feel like it should be asked. What is it like?
I mean, there can be nothing apart from just feeling so grateful.
I knew you
and
were going to say that,
but it's true,
okay.
right? Because it just there's so much that happens to make this happen.
Correct.
So I always feel that I can't take any credit for it. I'm just lucky that it happened with me as the vessel. So Sanjay sir picks me. There's this entire team. There's Shudip Da. There's the Kruti. There's the choreographer. There's the plot. There's so much.
And there's like 6 of you women.
Exactly, and each one like brilliant and lovely, and yeah, I guess some blessing, some angels, and Sanjay sir, of course.
Correct. What is the best compliment जो अब तक मिला है बिब्बो जान के लिए?
यार मुझे याद नहीं आता, मतलब compliments जो होते हैं ना, I enjoy them so much. मुझे इतना मजा आता है, और फिर मैं
But listen, I don't know कितनी चीजों का congratulations बोला जाए तुम्हें, अदिति राव हैदरी, हीरा मंडी.
यार आज ही मैं अपनी रिंग छोड़ के आ गई.
बताओ. मैं एंगेजमेंट तक पहुंची भी नहीं. एंगेजमेंट
मुझे पता था ना where this was going. I just got asked this question
क्या?
at another this thing कि कहाँ है.
हाँ, कहाँ है रिंग?
मैं like a good girl वर्कआउट करने गई, जो मैं बहुत कम जाती हूँ. तो मैंने करेक्टली निकाल के रख दी, और फिर मैं भूल गई.
संजय लीला भंसाली ने आपको सीधा बिब्बो जान का रोल दिया था. What happened? Tell us the procedure, narration call. Tell us everything. We want to know everything about संजय लीला भंसाली along with you, because किसका ड्रीम नहीं होता संजय लीला भंसाली की हीरोइन बनना?
I love संजय सर.
करेक्ट. ये दूसरी बार है ना आपने उनके साथ फिल्म की है?
Yes, करेक्ट. एंड वो जिस तरह से काम करते हैं, वो जिस तरह से जितना प्यार देते हैं अपने एक्टर्स को, और इतना जैसे लाइक लिटरली हीरो जैसे संभाल के रखते हैं. मतलब इट्स रियली रियली ब्यूटीफुल. और मेंटरशिप देते हैं बहुत. ही इज़ एन इनक्रेडिबल गुरु. ही रियली टीचेस. एंड आई थिंक ही इज़ अ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग आर्टिस्ट. वो बहुत इंस्पायरिंग आर्टिस्ट हैं, बहुत इंस्पायरिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग है. And I really love him for all of this and more. And जब उन्होंने actually मैं लॉकडाउन्स के बीच जो थोड़ा टाइम होता था ना, when we could actually go and meet people, उस टाइम मैं उनसे मिली थी, क्योंकि मैं घर पे थी हैदराबाद में. तो मैं मुंबई आई थी, तो मैं उनसे जाके मिली. I was missing him. I used to meet like Tapko at his house every so often. तो मैं उनसे जाके मिली, और the first thing he said is, इतनी पतली हो गई है, खाना खाओ. और तो मैंने उनके साथ लंच खाया, फिर मैं वापस चली गई शूट पे. और फिर एक दिन मुझे बस फ़ोन आया कि जब वापस बॉम्बे आओगी तो आके मिलना. तो मैं चली गई. कट टू आई वाज इन अ लुक टेस्ट, एंड आई वाज टोल्ड बिब्बो जान. एंड एक्चुअली लुक टेस्ट के दौरान नहीं, बाद में. और मतलब स्क्रिप्ट was a basic outline with details, of course, but not as detailed as what we see as the show. And I think वही संजय सर का magic है, that he is always, everybody talks about how he challenges his actors and technicians. वो अपने आप को खुद सबसे ज़्यादा challenge करते हैं first. He's very inspiring like that. And I think वो जो ऑलमोस्ट जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी करते हैं ना, जो मैजिक ढूंढते हैं ना, दैट हैपन्स इन द मोमेंट, एंड दैट हैपन्स बिकॉज ऑफ हिज हार्ट. दैट वो इतना वो इतना ऑलमोस्ट एक जुनून सवार है उन पे. He loves what he does so much that magic just happens.
And also he is so much about his women characters. Like we were talking about it, और हम बात कर रहे थे कि बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर्स हीरोइनों को आज भी यूज करते हैं टू फैसिलिटेट द हीरो, है ना,
और टू जस्ट प्लॉट पॉइंट्स.
हाँ, तो वो एक है कि हाँ इसने कर दिया, मतलब उसकी स्टोरी आगे. संजय लीला भंसाली इज अबाउट द हीरोइन. लाइक ये बाकी के नो मैटर हु इज मेकिंग अ कमबैक और नॉट, आई एम सॉरी, बट whoever is coming, whoever is not coming, the heroines are the focus. और आपको 6 थी, and all of them,
each story is beautiful, each story is complete. बट आई थिंक जो संजय सर है उनका खुद का मतलब आई थिंक हिज पर्सनल रिस्पेक्ट फॉर women और जो दर्जा वो औरतों को देते हैं जो in his own
Comes his
life,
mother, obviously, Sanjay Leela.
absolutely, in his own life as well, that really shows in what and his thing, and we've seen in इतनी सारी उनकी फिल्में हम सब ने देखी हैं, in each one of these films the woman can come from anywhere, वो कोई भी हो सकती हैं, वो किसी भी मतलब किसी भी जनरेशन की हो सकती हैं, वो she can be from any part of the world, any profession, she will be treated with grace and respect. And वो हमेशा 360 औरत होंगी, and she won't be a one tone person, she will have fire, she will have grace, she will have agency, she will be fearless, but she'll also have all the beautiful feminine qualities with fire. और I really find that incredible.
Basically, Sanjay Leela Bhansali brings out the feminine in a woman, जो वैसे भी औरतें आजकल बोल रही हैं मुझे बस feminine होना. I just want to be a woman. All right. Which brings me to your Gajgamini walk. I know कि आपने किया, the world has gone nuts over it, but Sanjay Leela Bhansali showed you how to do it. Apparently, you didn't even know it was called. कि क्या ये Gajgamini walk?
Actually, मुझे मतलब I knew the name.
पर मैंने किया ये मुझे नहीं पता था.
हाँ, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. And in fact, Kruti Mahesh had choreographed और हमने मतलब मुझे I don't know कथक. मैंने बचपन से भरतनाट्यम सीखा है, तो in fact वो body language भूलना is a task, you know. But Kruti had really like, you know, very मतलब प्यार से she had, you know, given me this time and assistance to help me, etc. और फिर मैं जब set पे आई, Sanjay sir also works like that. Like I said, it's like about finding the magic and what, you know, what his idea that strikes him, and उन्होंने literally on the spur of the moment कहा कि
ये ऐसे
करते हैं,
ये ऐसे करते हैं.
हाँ, really.
Yeah, मैंने भी जब देखा था, I said, oh yeah, this looks, but then it blew up and I was like, yeah, bro.
और मुझे obviously उस time ऐसा कुछ सूझा भी नहीं कि I was just listening to him, you know, watching Kruti, listening to what Sanjay sir was saying, and understanding exactly what it is that he wants. I was concentrating on that. I was not concentrating ये हाँ. But I think that's the best. Correct. I feel that's the best way. Yeah. I love the work. I love it, and especially when you have somebody like that in front of you.
Completely.
Really
I also feel कि मतलब once you trust your director, everything is मतलब director पे trust हो गया तो कुछ नहीं फिर नहीं चाहिए.
And it's a pleasure. Even the tough days. You know, at the end of the tough days also, when you actually see a smile, when you see a twinkle in your director's eyes, when you feel acha, and it really feels good.
So I want to ask you about the Gajgamini walk. One more thing that happened is that a lot of women felt very empowered. कि मतलब love handles हैं ये हैं. But I heard that you definitely wanted to. I believe कि आपने संजय सर को बोला था कि मेरे को थोड़ा सा weight loss करना.
हाँ. ये क्योंकि मैंने करीब मतलब मैंने थोड़ा सा weight put on किया था. मैं बहुत सुकड़ी हो गई थी because I also got COVID. And मुझे खिला के I put on weight. So when I came to set and I
बड़ा प्यारा weight था बड़ा प्यारा weight था.
But for me also it was a journey, you know, and I really thank him because और उन्होंने जो बात कही वो एकदम it made complete sense, and he's right, and to have somebody like that is like so precious, you know. So for me also it was such a learning. मैंने जब वो घाघरा पहना, he said, Arey, you've put on a little weight, and he said it very sweetly, and I was like, so, just give me 10 days, it'll go, don't worry, it'll go. And he said, you're not a 2022 model. I don't want you to be skinny, Aditi. You stay like this. This is a 1940s Tawaif.
Oh.
And this is very beautiful. And this is sensuous and this is beautiful.
Did you believe it immediately? It's tough, so right?
So the thing is, I really do love Sanjay sir, and I do completely trust him, of course. But ऐसा होता है ना आपके एक दिमाग में कि no, he's just being nice. No, he's like no, please sir. Like that narrative was going on in my head, and at some point I was like, my mind voice was like, shut up, like was telling me to, like, he was saying like, look at this, look, this is, you should listen to, you know, somebody who's telling you something that is of so much value, not just to me, but possibly to the world also. And again, I'm saying this in hindsight. मतलब उस टाइम मैंने ऐसे नहीं सोचा. उस टाइम मैं बस बोल रही थी, मैं प्लीज 10 दिन दो, प्लीज. अच्छा ठीक है, सर बोल रहे तो कर दूंगी. ऐसे it was like that.
So when you saw the take, तुम्हें तभी भी लगा कि ये कैसे बाहर जा सकते हैं, or you were
नहीं,
like
by then I had
surrender, guess I can जो भी है.
by then I was like so busy doing what I was doing that I didn't think about it also. And when I saw this particular take also, when like sir called me to see it and he said see, and I remember I was walking away from set going back to the van, and I saw it and I was just like, you like it now? And he was like, I'm very happy karke whatever. Yeah.
As an actor, as someone who is obviously putting herself out there every day, there is so much.
Am I putting myself out? You are putting me out.
Not like that. You're putting yourself.
I'm really PR
No,
shy
I know.
actually. I keep hiding. I'm like, मुझे नहीं करना,
नहीं,
please. Let the work speak for itself.
It does, but then after that we want to know now what you did on the
Yeah,
set and
yeah.
how you did, what you're saying.
But I'm just
But
being
we
honest.
also want to know कि what is it like, a life of a heroine के बारे में मुझे जरा बताओ, because it looks like all glamour and all fun and the rewards are high. But क्या stakes when the rewards are not high? Is it also कि the other side of it looks, you know, it seems like a normal person could get into depression sometimes अगर आप वो पढ़ें.
Yeah.
First of all, I want to ask you, do you read stuff, the good and the bad,
You
जो
know,
आपके बारे
I
में कहा
don't
जाता है?
actually. I try not to look at comments. Okay. And even though, like in many cases, it's amazing, and like people have been asking me, you know, of late, have you been seeing? And I'm like, I don't. I love it when you tell me. I love it when you tell me all the lovely things. I'm so grateful for it. But it, you know, the good also comes with the bad, and I know like bad things help you grow and you learn and all this, like whatever. But in our, like, I feel in our generation and the way that social media is for us, the bad is, it's not a learning wala bad, it's a dabawing wala bad.
एक नीचे खींचने वाला.
Yeah, it's very, very, very mean and very negative, and I think that's not good for your spirit. It's not good for, I think, you know, as at least I'm speaking only for myself now, as in, like, I think I like my artistic soul. I like my little childlike dreamer, this thing, and I want to be that, you know. Anybody can say anything, oh, toughen up, do this, do that. I'm like, you do na, that's you, this is me. So meko nahi chahiye, matlab I don't want, I don't like that negativity, and I feel like with trolling, especially since you're asking, hota hai, and also negativity breeds. मतलब लोगों को for some reason लोगों को बहुत अच्छी लगती है, तो वो ज़्यादा spread होती है. And in like I again I will say कि मैं बहुत grateful हूँ, क्योंकि एक अच्छी चीज़ से मेरे बारे में, हीरा मंडी के बारे में, बिब्बो जान के बारे में, हमारी संजय जो, मतलब all the good things are also there, and I'm very grateful for it. But in the world there is also a lot of negativity, तो उसको क्यों dignify करना बिना बात पे?
Because there's so much of it, it feels like it must fill your lives. Like probably you all have to talk to each other. Like since आप लोग साथ में काम कर चुके हो, you all have to probably speak to each other. Are you all friends?
In this particular case, you're saying like in Hira Mandi. I think
Hira Mandi,
in every movie, especially if you get along with your, you know, with your co-stars and your team, and मैं in that way I feel blessed कि जो ज़्यादातर मैंने टीम्स के साथ काम किया है, I've really been very, very protected by them, very fond of them, I've loved them. तो I feel a sense of loyalty, and I believe that we should stick together. अभी that's all I can say. अभी और क्या बोलूँ मैं?
वैसे पूछने को तो मैं काफी कुछ पूछ सकती हूँ.
But I'll tell you one more thing. जो हमारी जो हमारा जो वर्ल्ड है और हमारी जो इंडस्ट्री है और हमारा जो काम है, हम काम करते हैं, people have a particular notion, ठीक है, और वो आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते. उनको पूरी समझ कभी कभी नहीं होती है, उनको पूरी कहानी नहीं पता होती है, so they base their judgment of what they see. हम अगर सबको करेक्ट करने लग जाएंगे तो there'll be no end to it, और हमारी एनर्जी वहीं चली जाएगी. सो मैं एक सिंपल, मेरी जो माँ हमेशा मेरे से कहती हैं कि आप अपनी एनर्जी पॉजिटिव चीज़ पे रखिए, खुशी जो what gives you happiness आप उस पे रखिए, and make people around you happy, और वो आपकी प्रायोरिटी है. और अगर किसी की प्रायोरिटी है नेगेटिविटी स्प्रेड करना, वो उनका काम है, तो आप उस पे अपनी एनर्जी क्यों लुटा रहे हैं? मत कीजिए. सिंपल.
Even though there is a lot of talk about it, you would like to not talk about, I mean, is this a kind of way कि let's not talk about it versus you know, एक बयान देना and say, hey, this is what it is, and once and for all.
It depends. हर context और situation अलग. I mean, it's different. sometimes you just feel you don't want to dignify it, and sometimes you feel it's important to say something. Abhi that is now time की बात.
Aditi, have you ever filled a slam book? Slam book भरा है कभी बचपन में?
ना
वैसे?
मतलब हाँ मतलब थोड़ा
तो
Not
आज भरोगी.
really.
This
I
is
was
called
not one of those kids.
Malishka की slam book, okay?
You know, can you believe it? Like, I was not the kid who played with dolls and made slam books. I
What
used
did
to
you
run
do?
around. I used to climb imli ke ped and eat imli so much कि I had a sore throat. Can you imagine? Nobody will believe this, na?
अभी करती हो क्या?
Seriously?
Yeah, I'll climb a tree any given day.
I mean, I'll climb a tree, but
हाँ.
I'll be careful because
Correct.
अगले दिन
Don't
हमेशा
eat
shoot होता है.
Correct. Thank God ऐसे ही बना रहे.
मैं साइकिलिंग गई थी अभी टस्कनी में
फिर?
एंड सिद्धू वाज द मोस्ट नर्वस कि ये गिर जाएगी, फिर इसको खून हो जाएगा, फिर वो शूट नहीं जा पाएगी, फिर वो रोएगी.
तो फिर तुम Are you a cry
10 किलोमीटर में साइकिलिंग करी मैंने कंट्री साइड पे, ऊपर नीचे ग्रेवल पे.
Do you cry easily?
आई क्राई एंड लाफ वेरी इजीली. मतलब मेरे को गुस्सा आता है तो झट से रोना आता है, और गुस्सा खुद से आता है, खुद से.
This is called Malishka की slam book. Okay, I'll ask you question. One word, फटाफट answer. as
अरे
much as-
बात.
Name.
अदिति राव हैदरी. बिब्बो जान.
अरे nickname.
अद्दू.
Birthday.
28th October. Scorpio.
Oh, you're a Scorpio.
I'm a Scorpio.
अच्छा, favorite spot आपके घर में खुद का आपका?
With my kitty cats or my doggos. Anywhere where they are, I'm the happiest
अच्छा.
there.
Favorite holiday destination?
Anywhere in Europe or London.
Okay.
Actually, my nanny's house.
Oh, which one is Nani's house अब? जिसके बारे में बताया वो?
Not Vanpati. Hyderabad.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. क्यों?
मेरी नानी जिनको मैं अम्मा बुलाती हूँ, उनका और मेरा कुछ, I mean, I know all nannies are special, but उनका और मेरा कुछ special connection है. तो my nanny was literally like my playmate. तो हम like, she used to behave like she's my age when we were little. तो my nanny's house is just for me the best memories.
पहली सैलरी क्या थी?
भरतनाट्यम सीखती थी लीला सैमसन से, एंड मैं स्कूल में थी और हम शी हैड टेकन अस ऑन अ टूर, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट I think it was $5,000. And I was like, no akka, because she's my guru and I've known her since I was 5. She's like my mother. And she was like, no, it's very important. You came as a professional and this is how you start.
First kiss
Was in an auto.
हाँ. अगर एक्टर नहीं होती तो क्या होती?
I don't know, I can't imagine.
Okay. सबसे weird आदत कौन सी आदत है?
Trying to force feed people? I don't know, aadat. Trying to set people's paintings? I don't know. So many I have, like this mad things that I do.
Something that is personal and dirty and like
Dirty?
Yeah, we want to like a human being, Aditi. Like tell me, like do you pick your nose?
Ew.
Okay, no, she doesn't. Okay. Tell us
Ew.
something. Okay, not dirty. Like do you pull skin off your toes? कुछ तो होगा जो तुम
Oh, I you know, sometimes I bite my nails.
See, that is the
Very
best.
bad habit. That's why I started putting gel polish so I don't
Same,
like, you know.
Same.
Mm.
Yes, we want to know the real.
And also I'll always like put my hand like this and I'll be doing something because I'm like used to that other. Very bad it is.
Very dirty. Very dirty. Is that the dirtiest though?
I'm trying to think.
Don't think too much. I don't want to go that far also.
You really think you're going to find that? No, you won't.
At least I know it is there.
Some people find oil very icky. I have no problem with oil. So there are times when I've gone to the airport with oil in my hair and a top knot, which I think is my model of duty look.
Oh.
But actually it's oil.
Oh my God. Even her
But see
airport
now-
look is like... okay. So, are you more a phone person या फिर TV person?
Listen, I'm really trying to not look at my phone a lot because I'm literally getting catches in my neck. So I prefer a TV.
Okay. Embarrassing moment एक set पर जो हुआ है.
तो
कितनी खुश हो गई. This can't be embarrassing enough if she's happy.
no, I mean it is kind of embarrassing, but I just like it's
Say?
true. So
Say.
what to say now? So the first time बिब्बो जान का एक सीन था जहाँ पे बिब्बो जान को थोड़ा सा फायरी होना था. तो संजय सर ने सबको बुलाया एंड हम स्क्रिप्ट के साथ बैठे हुए थे एंड ही वाज जस्ट डिस्कसिंग कि क्या होगा सीन में दिस दैट एंड ही सेड अच्छा बिब्बो जान अदिति अभी पढ़ो एंड आई स्टार्ट रीडिंग एंड सेड अदिति का श्रृंगार रस शुरू हो गया. तो सेड मैं इससे गुस्सा कैसे निकालूं. So every time there would be a गुस्से वाला सीन ही would say अभी इसका लव सीन शुरू हो जाएगा.
And that
So
is
that was kind of embarrassing, but he was kind of right. I mean, it like for me, anger is one of the toughest things to pull
I
out.
was just going to say my next question was Aditi Rao Hedri को गुस्सा किस चीज पे आता है?
आता है, बहुत आता है और नाक पे होता है, बट एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप का गुस्सा आता है जो चिल्लाने वाला या ऐसा फायरी नहीं होता. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स डरावना फॉर द अदर पर्सन.
Too sweet.
इट्स ओनली डरावना फॉर माई सेल्फ.
पर किस चीज पे गुस्सा आता है सबसे ज्यादा?
I hate any kind of like when something is unfair, na? Like when you're like
that's
this
just
whole
worrying.
trolling you're talking about, that I find very unfair because like I feel like people, मतलब अगर उनको पता नहीं है तो क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Why are they making somebody like you know ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहे हैं, या आपको पूरी कहानी नहीं पता या whatever. उस बात पे मुझे कभी कभी रोना आता. पहले बहुत आता था, अभी कम आता है. फिर और क्या, if I see, oh my god, you know sometimes Instagram पे हम देखते हैं कि some 3 people got together and beat up a little puppy and oh my
yeah,
god,
that I
just
skipped.
drives me insane. Yeah, those things. Then of course in the world some bad things that happen.
Okay.
Then personally also, and people, okay, जब you know
She's getting into it, guys.
yeah. But जैसे अगर आपके पास पावर नहीं है to say something back, और अगर मैं आपको ऐसे ट्रीट करूं कि आप मुझे वापस कुछ बोल नहीं सकते, I hate it when people do that. Like I'm like everybody is a human being. It doesn't matter where they come from. उनकी क्या पावर है, क्या पावर नहीं है, वो किस जेंडर के, वो कितने छोटे हैं, कितने बड़े हैं, treat them with kindness.
So if there's one एक चीज that Aditi Rao Hedri could make sure it change in the world, वो कौन सी एक चीज होती?
I think bring out people's humanity.
Alright, if there's one thing अगर आप इस दुनिया में eliminate कर सकती, this will not exist from tomorrow.
Like violence?
What is you have a biggest regret कोई?
No.
Weirdest rumor जो आपने अपने बारे में सुनी है?
अभी हाँ, मैंने सुना है, and I'm just like guts. Really? मैं बोलने नहीं वाली because unnecessarily it gives more हवा.
अरे so Aditi, you don't believe in clearing up rumors at all, huh?
Why should I? Let people talk rubbish. And the more you talk about it, the more people will talk about it.
Okay. एक superstition जो तुम follow करती हो? Oh, there is something.
Yeah.
क्या?
I only cut my hair when the moon is waxing.
मतलब बड़ा हो रहा है.
हाँ.
क्यों?
I don't know. Somebody told me and I was like, हाँ, okay. हाँ?
येडी आहेस थोडीशी.
थोड़ी सी.
तुला मराठी येते का?
I understand.
अच्छा, only.
Then there's another stupid thing which is very inconvenient on set. I'll never give anybody anything sharp or take anything sharp.
Oh, वो तो
So
मेरा भी है.
needles and scissors, and it's
झगड़ा
damn
जाता है.
inconvenient, yeah, because I'm like balancing it on my knee like this and saying take it from here and all.
मैं भी कैंची वैची नहीं देते हो ना एक दूसरे को कि झगड़ा हो जाता है.
पता नहीं. I don't even know the
वो है,
reason.
झगड़ा हो जाता है.
But you know why I think this happened is because पहले उस जमाने में लाइट कम होती थी, तो must have been because of that,
Oh.
right? I don't know.
Great. Okay. One thing that people don't know about you.
I have dimples on my shoulders.
So cute. How do we not know? Have you not worn sleeveless clothes in like?
I don't actually too much. हाँ, नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं पहनती.
Okay. Do you have a tattoo और अगर नहीं है? No. अगर
I don't know.
I know. अगर एक बनवाती, if push comes to shove, someone held a gun to your head, क्या tattoo बनवाती?
A star, moon, and a sun.
Like celestial being.
Because my favorite thing is, you know those chillins from Harry Potter, and those creatures, magical creatures, and unicorns and all. I love those, but then I can't make a tattoo of them, na?
Also
So
that-
star, moon, sun.
And this is also because I started it during the pandemic because everyone was going through something or the other. So मैं जानना चाहती हूँ mental health का आपके life में क्या मायने हैं? Are you an anxious person? क्या anxiety होती है? How do you deal with it? Just basically tell me your mental health formula. You I think people are now talking about it more. पहले everyone would
Yeah.
pretend कि हम ठीक हैं.
Mental health के बारे में discuss करना and to normalize it. Normalize the discussion. I think बहुत ज़रूरी है. And आजकल हो भी रहा है. It is something that everybody is dealing with also because life around us, and as you rightly said, COVID के time, I think these conversations became more
ये सबकी बैंड बजी पड़ी थी ना.
and I think people also started sharing more, which is a good thing. Having said that, I think जो सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है is to understand that there are people and institutions and doctors who again, it is it is not any kind of shame to seek help, to go to them.
Correct.
It's like anything else. Like you have any other kind of ailment, anything else that is जो हमको तकलीफ दे रही है, any kind of anything that is troubling you, हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. तो इसके लिए भी जाना चाहिए.
So have you, like, tell me practically, have you ever sought help? Would you be averse to it?
I've seen it from very 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 close quarters. I won't give you मैं आपको ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं जाऊँगी because it's somebody I've known since I was a little child. तो मैंने बहुत I've seen something that is very very मतलब it's very traumatic, and I guess one never gets over it because of the memory of it. So I've seen it, very closely. So it's, I'm sorry, I'm fumbling, but it's also because it's difficult. But I would say for myself, I feel कि मैं अपने अराउंड एक पॉजिटिविटी मेंटेन रखती हूँ. दैट कुड बी माई ओन वल्नरेबिलिटी ऑल्सो, कि मुझे वो ज़रूरी है, दैट इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर मी. आई एम अवेयर दैट इट माइट कम फ्रॉम माई ओन सेंस ऑफ feeling like that little child who needs that constantly to. So it could be many things, and I'm being very very honest here. That for me वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. गुड एनर्जी, गुड पीपल अराउंड मी, पॉजिटिव पीपल अराउंड मी. और मैं आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट दैट. वो मैं बनाए रखती हूँ. और मेरे को कहीं भी नेगेटिविटी दिख जाए, आई जस्ट गो द अदर वे. एंड आई फील कि मैं अपने लिए खुद जैसे these are basic things, but I feel it makes a difference to me. Like music, कभी कभी you feel sad or upset or angry about something, मैं गाना शुरू कर देती हूँ. Like literally.
And you sing well also.
और मैं मतलब जो बचपन से एक श्रुति बॉक्स मेरे पास था when I used to dance, तो वो मेरे पास अभी भी है. तो वो मैं ले लेती हूँ और मैं वो अपना श्रुति पेटी, वो छोटी वाली, वो प्ले करके and I'll sing stuff that I learned as a child. मैं वो करती हूँ. योगा हेल्प्स, ब्रीदिंग रियली हेल्प्स. बट फॉर मी, एंड आई एम प्रिविलेज, मतलब ये मेरा प्रिविलेज है, एंड आई एम लकी दैट इज़ जस्ट शॉर्ट लिव्ड. बट देयर आर पीपल हु एक्चुअली डीलिंग विद इट, मतलब लॉन्ग टर्म. बिकॉज हम सबको होता है ना, वी गो थ्रू लिटिल लोज और वी गो थ्रू लिटिल सैडनेस और जो भी है. बट आई पिक माई सेल्फ आउट एंड आई चूज़, मतलब मैं हैप्पीनेस चूज़ करती हूँ, बट मैं कर सकती हूँ. देर आर पीपल हु कांट, हु आर अनएबल टू, एंड आई फील दैट देर इज़ हेल्प आउट देयर. एंड ऑल्सो कि वी ऑल शुड बी एम्पथेटिक एंड शुड अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज द कम्युनिटी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चाहे यू आर गोइंग थ्रू द सेम थिंग और नॉट, टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड to guide correctly is also, and just sometimes just to be there and to listen.
Are you one of those people that people come to? Aditi, meri baat suno.
Yeah, 100%, 100. And I'm always there for people that I care for. Sometimes even for people that I should not give time to. I always feel कि अगर उनका need है, I should be there for their need. And if they are jackasses at all other times, that's their problem. They needed me, I was there for them, and I will always be there for them. And if they choose to be a jackass at all other times, that's their prerogative. ये भी मेरी माँ हमेशा मुझे बोलती है.
Mummy is a big influence,
Mummy is a big
in your
influence.
life. Actually, and that's my next question. Who are your biggest influences in the film industry and in your personal life?
So in my own life, of course, my nani and my mother, very important, and my guru, Leela Samson. 3 very strong women around me.
Yeah, who are your influences? Can say, matlab, I would say one of them is perhaps Manisha Koirala, but
Manisha ma'am for sure. For just how, like the simple thing. अभी as a young girl आप क्या देखते हैं? अरे हीरोइन है, उन्होंने मेकअप नहीं लगाया, इतनी खूबसूरत लगती हैं, she looks like she woke up like this, and she's so like fragile, and her like the way she acted, उनकी acting बहुत एक natural लगती थी मुझे. तो मुझे वो बहुत different लगता था. So yeah, she was an influence. And then I love Rani Mukherjee for her fire. Then Rekha Ma, I call her Rekha Ma, just because she's just, she is iconic in every way. Mani sir, Sanjay sir, Rituparno Ghosh. These 3 directors made me want to be an actor and made me want to be a part of their world.
And that's exactly the next question. Please share how your journey in the entertainment industry began and what inspired you to become an actor.
मणिरत्नम, संजय लीला भंसाली, ऋतुपर्णा घोष.
What's the most important lesson जो आपने अपने करियर में सीखा है so far?
मुझे जो सीख मिली है एज एन एक्टर एंड ऑल्सो पर्सनली आई वुड से कि प्रेजेंट में रहिए, टू बी इन द प्रेजेंट एंड टू enjoy it, love it, and to give it your 100. क्योंकि हम लोग कभी कभी वो उसमें क्या होगा, फिर ऐसे होगा, फिर वैसे होगा, फिर पिछले दिन वैसे हुआ था, फिर नहीं. तो just savor the present.
And finally, Aditi, we can't let you go without एक हो जाए
क्या
गाना. एक.
Okay, let me try that. एक बार देख लीजिए.
I'd like you to say adab to my camera, please.
एक बार देख लीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए, जलने को है तैयार हम, परवाना बना दीजिए, एक बार देख लीजिए.